Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on show name. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, soft me pay a Gigi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way.
Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. It's the DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka, she love the bad thing. She hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist so when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me.
Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Hands in the air. Hey. Let me see your hands in the air. Hey. Rick is on the beat.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, Lega. Ha, ha. Oh, na, na. Bump, 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 bump.
Hey guys, so today I'll be using the curls clip-ins, so you guys know that I've used these clip-ins for such a long time. Like seriously, yeah guys, I love the clip-ins. So my hair is like almost dry. It's like 99% or 95% dry. I did a silk press on my hair, so my hair has got two textures right now. Humidity is catching up on my hair, so some of my hair, half of my hair is like shrunken and half of my hair is like straight, so it's looking hella crazy right now. But definitely after this, when I take down this hairstyle, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and wash my hair, like get it back, you know, to one texture. It looks so crazy right now, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and install the clip-ins, you guys.
My place, she want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, soft me pay a Gigi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way.
Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. It's the DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka, she love the bad thing. She hold a bad man, she want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist so when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me.
Hey, baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah.
Hands in the air. Hey. Let me see your hands in the air. Hey.
Just gonna give you a little bit more information about these clip-ins from CurlsCurls. You guys, these clip-ins do blend so well with my falsy natural hair. Like I say, you guys, I did a silk press in my previous video, so you guys might want to check that out. But as you can see, my hair did blend regardless, because obviously when I used the gel, it did shrink into its natural curly texture. As you can see, I do have texture in my hair. I really hope you guys will go and check out CurlsCurls Hair Company. One thing that makes CurlsCurls stand out from all the other brands is that they produce good quality clip-ins which are affordable to you guys, which are affordable to everybody. Because their clip-ins are affordable, you guys, that's why I love collaborating with them, because I know you guys are always saying that you need me to show you like some affordable kind of hairstyles or affordable clip-ins. So CurlsCurls is the company that you would like to try, you guys, if you haven't tried their brand yet. So by slashing down the middlemen, they make their clip-ins affordable, because they're selling actually directly to you guys instead of going through the middleman, which makes the clip-ins more expensive. So I just hope you guys will understand that they are good quality and they sell their clip-ins directly to you. They are very, very competitive on the natural hair clip-ins market. So make sure you guys check out CurlsCurls. I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.